Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing? It's still day 4 on my vacation. I did a little video this morning, my previous video about my collaging accomplishments on day 3. And I also talked about in that video that my mom gave me some greeting cards, and she had a box of greeting cards, and she said, you know, I'd really like to just, clean those out, and if you want them, you can have them. So we kind of went through them and, kind of, walking down memory lane type of thing, and looked at them all. And so she got a chance to look at them all, and I looked at them all, and then she gave them to me. So it was fun just to really go through them because they go back quite a few years. But I thought I'd share it with you really quick, my what she gave me, and my, one of my thoughts on what I might do with them. So, I mean, the obvious thing is that I would fussy cut anything that is really cool that I could cut out and use in, creating journals, tags, and, journal cards and decorating and things like that for embellishments in journals. So anyway, we're starting here with the Mother's Day card, and I'm not going to really flip it open. I'll just show you the front cover. But my another idea is, besides fussy cutting, this is cool. It has these words here and little flowers. Has a monkey inside and some flowers. But my other idea, this is a cute one, is to, if there's one I don't like, it's not that I don't like it, it's just, maybe I can't use it, or say I want to fussy cut out this owl, but I can't really use this part, it's just cardstock and it's been written on, and maybe I can't cut out or don't want the words. I have a piece of cardstock here if I want to cut this off. I have a piece of cardstock here that I can collage on and then use and cut up and use and make into tags and journaling cards. And I did that last night with one card where I just wanted a big piece of cardstock, and I didn't have any left in my scraps that I was trying to use up. So this one isn't necessarily one that you might, this bottom part maybe I could do something with, depending on what this says. I probably wouldn't do anything with that, but I might, if I can't do anything with it, cover this whole thing, collage over the whole thing, and you've got a nice sturdy piece of cardstock there. And that's what I did with one card last night. So that's just my idea on that. This is a beautiful one to fussy cut out. And also I used the paper inside one last night and covered over the whole thing, I think front and back, but I wouldn't have to do the back. I could just do the front with the writing if I didn't want it, So that's just some ideas on the cards. These are all birthday, Mother's Day. I was hoping she had some Christmas. I don't know if there's any Christmas in here, but just all kind of, this is a cute one, little teapot. It's cute front and back. I didn't see that one yesterday. What is that? Mother's Day card. Oh, that's from me. That's from me for Mother's Day to my mom. But isn't that cute? I don't even remember. One thing I thought would have been cool if I would have put dates on the cards. Now it does talk about my oldest son being in school. Is Ryan's prom. Okay, so this was my oldest son. I had included my oldest son's prom pictures with this card. And he went to maybe the junior prom. So, that was quite a few years ago, because he graduated, let's see, I'm trying to think. He graduated over 10 years ago now. So, yeah, so, that gives me some kind of time frame for that one. But I didn't write dates on any of the cards. And I know some people probably are very good at that, writing the dates on things, but apparently I did not think about doing that and didn't do it. So that's just a little tip. Maybe from now on, here's some cute flowers I can cut out. But yeah, that's just here's a little heart that can be cut out. The back is pretty too here with these flowers. But yeah, that's a little tip. Just from now on, I'm going to write the dates down on my cards. So I'm just flipping through these so you can see what my mom, kind of a little, like a haul, but somebody took something off that already. I like these stripes here too, and there's some pretty flowers right there. And oh, this is a pretty one. These are like silky flowers, like silk flowers that are on the card. That's cool. But I would cut that out all together probably. And there's a vase. There's even a little bow right here. But yeah, I would just cut these out all together. But just fun. This is a cute one. This is from me too, to my mom. Has a little ribbon on it, a little tag right here, little gems on the flowers. You would never know I like paper by picking out a card like that, right? I'm joking. You know, someone that really likes paper picked out a card with a ribbon and a tag on it, right? And some little gems. But this is a neat one. I like this. It's like fabric right here. Cow, cute cow. This little puppy's holding a basket of cute flowers. Here's another one with a ribbon on it. I don't think this is from me. It doesn't look. That's from my brother. From my brother to my mom. Hamster. So my mom's doing good. In case anybody was wondering, I got a nice note from a customer friend and subby that asking about my mom and stuff, and that was so nice. I appreciated that. But yeah, she had her knee replacement surgery last Thursday, and she's doing good. You know, normal. Everything's normal. But you know, if you've ever known anyone that had knee replacement surgery, there's a lot of pain involved afterward. This is really cute. It's got two little ladybugs on there, a little ribbon and a bow, and just really cute. But yeah, so thanks for asking, everybody who's asked. And I passed on your good wishes to her. And she, you know, that makes her feel better that, you know, people that she doesn't even know are asking and, you know, thinking about her. So that's really cool. That was so nice that people have wished her their best wishes. I didn't even think about that when I mentioned it. I just, you know, wanted everybody to know I wasn't at home and, you know, trying to do the best I can with my videos here. Let you know my little finding little treasures. Oh, these are little shirts I can cut out. Isn't that cute? And yeah, finding little treasures here. And went, you know, thrifting once so far. Showed you all my collages I made. But I hope I'm not going too fast for you here. But some of these don't really have anything. This is cute right here. And this has a lot of glitter and little flowers. This is cute right here too. So definitely be cutting that out. And this is perfect little squares. That's neat. So Donald Duck. This is a pretty one. Fussy cut out all that. Maybe decorate a page or an envelope. And no, there's a bunch of more pretty ones inside there. Isn't that cool? And here's a pretty tree. Let's see what's in. Nothing inside on that one. And here's a pretty flower with ladybugs. That's neat. Let's see if that's from me. I can tell the one's from me. They're all the cutesy ones. But yeah, there's one. Oh, that's somebody's family. But yeah, so this is just a quick video to show you my cards. Free stuff, you know, free haul here. Didn't cost me anything. I love this deer right here. Isn't that cool? That's going to be neat to cut out. And this one has little stockings that are like separate. You can take those off. And this is cute, these little houses. I can see those cut out and put onto an envelope. Wouldn't that be neat? And here is, this looks like a Christmas one. Lots of glittery stuff on there. Here's another Christmas card. Here's a cute little Christmas card with a bunch of little creatures on it, animals. That's neat. Oh, I love this one with the butterflies. And I already looked at this one yesterday. I know it's from me too, with little butterflies and all the little flowers down here. There's a Christmas. I thought these could be cool cut out individually, you know. Wouldn't that be neat to make like tags out of those? And these little angels, cut these out separately. Wouldn't that be great? Make into little journaling cards. There's nothing on the back. So that would be awesome to make those, punch a little hole, put a little gold string on them or something. Very neat. This is actually a sticker that was in there. It's a The middle part is a sticker and the other part is a sticker also. And it's supposed to be a frame, and it says something about putting it on your refrigerator. So that's cool. Another Christmas card and another Christmas card. So that's it for this video. I hope you like my little free haul from my mom here, and and I'll be taking these home and working with these at home because I won't have time here because I'm still using up my scraps, and I'm doing good today, and I'll come back tomorrow with a video on what I did today. So I am currently working on my scraps, and I also have another video because I went to a flea market this morning. So I will see you next time, and happy crafting and happy thrifting.